Meet the Vacon 253L basic board, engineered to excel in industrial applications. The Vacon 253L basic board 0PTA1 OPTA1 CM090499 PC00253 G, a pinnacle of industrial innovation. Its high-quality components ensure seamless operation, making it an indispensable asset for your business needs. The Vacon 253L basic board 0PTA1 OPTA1 CM090499 PC00253 G, crafted for industrial excellence. Its advanced technology ensures top-tier efficiency, while reliable components guarantee consistent performance. Its advanced technology ensures unparalleled efficiency, while its reliable components provide consistent performance. Crafted to cater to a wide range of industrial applications, this board is essential for optimizing your operations. The board's advanced technology and premium components make it ideal for demanding industrial applications. Trust in its capability to deliver consistent, high-quality results, enhancing your operational efficiency and business success. This board is engineered with cutting-edge technology and premium components, making it perfect for challenging industrial settings. Its robust design guarantees durability and reliable performance across various operational conditions. The Vacon 253L basic board is your go-to solution for industrial applications. Its efficient performance ensures that your operations run smoothly and reliably. Trust the Vacon 253L to enhance your industrial capabilities and drive business success. Thank you for watching.